Hey y'all. So I am waiting on my daddy. So excuse the noise. I am sitting in a parking lot. But I wanted to make this snippet, this video about gossiping. So we as people need to stop talking about each other, especially in a negative manner. We need to stop judging people. We need to stop assuming. And I have a little story. So I was walking with my mama, and we were just girl talking. And I guess God thought that we were doing too much gossiping on his part. Because girl talk and dude talk can go into like talking about other people. Because that's just how the cookie crumbles. Like, who always wants to sit there and talk about themselves? But that's where we need to switch the narrative and possibly start just talking about ourselves and how we can better ourselves, and not always talking about the negative of somebody else. But we were literally walking, and all of a sudden a bird took a nice shit on my forehead. Just, God said enough. I said, whoa. He ain't playing this year. A bird took a shit right on my forehead. Out of a tree. Just. And my mom was like, oh my goodness. And I said, let me be quiet. Let me just be quiet, because this is unnecessary talk. This isn't bettering myself or the person I'm chit-chatting about, because I feel like I need to tell you this story that happened. Like, if she wasn't there, it wasn't meant for her to know. So God said, shh, shh, cut the gossip. So, if you don't want bird shit on your face this year, cut the gossip. From experience. Love y'all. Bye.